Your interview is on which date and in which place?
On October 12th, sir, in Trivandrum, Kerala.
In which place? Which place?
Trivandrum, Kerala.
Oh,
Trivandrum, Trivandrum.
Trivandrum. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So please tell me about yourself briefly.
So my name is Sabin Chandran, and I am from Trivandrum, Varkala. I completed my MBA in Sales and Marketing in 2020, and I am currently working in Nestle India Limited as a senior strong sales officer. My family consists of me, my wife, my one child, my father, and my mother.
Hmm. So you are working in which company? It is not clear. Please tell me.
So I'm working with Nestle India Limited.
Oh, Nestle India Limited.
Nestle, yeah,
So
just the largest.
what are you in Nestle?
So I am a senior sales officer. Sir.
Very good. So what are the regions you are covering?
Regions I am covering Thrissur and part of Malappuram.
Oh, how many people like you are there for this region, Thrissur and Malappuram?
I am the only one person who is responsible for the entire zone, sir. Only
Oh,
18 people handle the business of Nestle in Kerala for Nestle India Limited. There is only 18 people
oh.
who are there.
So you are one among those 18 people. So
Yes, sir.
what is your normal work schedule in a day?
Sir, are you asking about my job role or the
Yeah,
what are the things which I am doing in a day?
what are you doing in a day, right from morning till evening? How do you go about? Do you stay in one place and work? Do you visit places? Which type of places do you visit like that?
Okay, sir. So on my daily routine, I start my work before 8 a.m. That is, I need to give all the updates regarding the sales, regarding the activities which are going on in the particular month to all my entire sales force. I'm handling 18 salesmen in my store. So I have to give a daily update regarding the sales for this all person on an individual basis. So my system works will start from 8 a.m. and I will go to the market by 9:15. Every day I will go to different markets on 9:15 and meet the key personals who are the stakeholders which is associating with the Nestle. And also I will be conducting daily operational reviews for all the salesmen on a physical basis in the distributor points. Sir.
So you said every day you'll be going to different places means one day Thrissur,
Yes, sir. Mainly there is
another
four
another day
yes, sir.
some other part of Thrissur like that. Is
Yeah,
it?
correct, sir. Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Mainly, I am handling four distributors in Thrissur 2 zone. That is in Malappuram and Thrissur. The entire business is handled by four distributors.
Mm.
One is in Kunnangulam, a place in Thrissur, and the rest of the three are one in Tirur, one in Vengara, and the other one is in Valanjeri. These
No,
are
no,
three
actually,
places.
okay. So that means you will be discussing with distributors or with the salesmen.
On the daily operational review, both the distributor and the salesman will be there.
Oh, acha,
On the daily operation,
you'll be meeting through Zoom meeting or Google. Which meet will you meet?
no, sir. Each day I will plan for, as per my itinerary, I will plan for each distributor and I will let them know on a early basis. In this day, I will be here.
So you will go in person.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Acha, good, good, good. So, do you have targets for you or what is the
Yes, sir.
strategy?
Of course. Of course. It is pure sales. I will be having monthly targets.
Oh, good. Have you been able to reach the monthly targets, say in the month of July, August, and all that?
Yes, sir. I hit the numbers for the last 9 months. I have hit the numbers for 6 months. I was
Mm.
not able to hit the numbers for 3 months because in our company, January, April, and August, these are the peak months which will be having the highest targets. So the 3 months which I was not able to hit the target was February,
Mhm.
May, and
Mhm.
the last September, because there is a thing like we pumped up the market, we maximum utilized the market opportunities in the big months, and the stocks in the outlets were bit high during these months.
So
So I
what?
was not able to.
Which products sell more for Nestle?
For Nestle, in my zone, it is depend upon the geography, sir. For my zone, the major contributor is everyday dairy whitener.
Dairy
Dairy whitener, that is the milk powder, sir.
milk
Dairy
powder.
whitener.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes.
Then,
Then the
uh,
second contributor,
yeah, second.
the second contributor is the chocolates, Manj Maha. That is the 5 rupees Manj.
Oh, Munch Maha. New. I have not heard this. Achha.
No,
When,
sir.
when
Actually,
when
this
was it?
chocolate,
When was it introduced?
it was introduced in 2004. It's an
Oh,
old product. It is a
mm-hmm.
so-called product which have a strong brand value in Kerala.
Acha. Good.
Kerala is the largest market for Munch.
Oh, Munch. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Good. Now, why do you want to jump to banking?
So there are two things. The first one is I tried to be in Federal Bank from my college days. I attended the campus interview in which is happened in the college in the year of 2019. But I was able to crack the aptitude test, but I was not able to crack the group discussion. At the same point of time, Nestle India Limited came to the campus and the campus placement and I was the only person who is placed from Kerala in the south branch of Nestle. So
Mhm.
I was not able to continue to try in Federal Bank, and I was forced to join in Nestle. So
That
after
is.
that, 2 years
Mhm.
due to COVID, I was not able to. There is no open selection which has happened for Federal Bank.
Mhm.
In 2022, again I was trying to get into Federal Bank, but I was not able to crack the interview. Not able to crack the aptitude test.
Mhm. So
Then
this time
I
you have cleared the
yeah.
aptitude test
Then I
and
tried
GD
again.
and GD
Yes, sir.
also.
Then I tried again. Now it is almost 80%.
Yeah. How old? What
And the
is your
second
age?
thing is,
24,
so
25.
so one more thing is because why I selected Federal Bank. My wife is working with Federal Bank.
Oh, great, 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 great. Is she working as an officer or clerk?
She joined us as officer, and now she is the assistant manager for Changanasheri branch.
Oh, great. Excellent. Did you ask her what are the responsibilities of say, a probationary officer?
Yes, the probationary officer is a person who is responsible to assist the entire branch team and the branch to achieve the overall business objectives and the business targets as what we do in the Nestle for sales. Actually, the PRM have to be a good salesman. The second one is he is a person who is there to ensure the customer delight by personally attending to the customers who are coming to the branch and giving them instructions and assisting them in banking operations and activities. Probationary officer is a person who is responsible for the acquisition of new customers to the customer base of the bank. And
Hmm.
this probationary officer also uh, need to provide the financial assistance or financial solutions for the customers who are coming to the bank and giving helping them in picking the appropriate banking products as per their needs and wants. And uh, the probation officer, the PO, have to ensure the digital transformation of the bank by promoting the digital products of the bank also. So these
Hmm.
are some of the roles and responsibilities which I know about probation officer.
Excellent. Good. Now, um, what is the policy of Federal Bank? Do they recruit husband and wife, and is it a problem, or they do encourage? What is the idea of your wife? What did she tell you?
So I didn't get the point, sir.
No, no, I'm asking whether the
Okay.
bank is agreeable for recruiting both husband and wife, or what do they favor that, or is there any policy regarding? Did you ask your wife about this?
Yes, but she was not clear about it. But I know some persons who are working with Nestle Bank, with Federal Bank. Both of the husband and wife who are working in Federal Bank.
Oh,
I know some people who are like that.
acha, acha. Very good. Excellent. That's good. Now, are you supposing because of this recruitment, you may have to go away from your wife? Will it be okay for you?
There is no problem, sir, because currently what that is what I'm doing. Because my wife is in Trivandrum and I'm working in Thrissur. From the date of joining, I was into different geographies across Kerala. I started my work in Ernakulam, that is Cochin in Kerala. Then I transferred to Idiki, a rural place in Kerala. Then I transferred to Palakkad, which is also a place in Kerala,
Acha,
which is
Nestle,
300,
Nestle is
400.
also transferring people like bank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, or did you take it or they do it themselves?
No, sir. As per the company's requirement and the qualities of a person, and as per the requirements which is needed for each and every geography, the company will select a person and transfer them.
Oh, great.
Actually, this is the fourth place which I am currently working.
What is the pay packet like? And do you have incentives?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have incentives. We have monthly incentive and as well as quarterly incentives.
So, what is the regular pay like?
So you are asking me about the
But,
salary band.
yeah, salary, basic salary.
So my monthly CTC is currently 10.86. My yearly CTC is
Yearly CTC is,
10.86 lakhs.
oh, Baba, oh, good sum. That's not a bad sum. But then here you may get slightly more. That is the thing. That's true. You studied MBA long ago, 3-4 years ago. Do you
Yes,
remember? Do you remember finance?
sir, I was in sales and marketing. My major was sales and marketing, but
No, Chacha.
finance I know something.
Finance. You have not studied finance. You were into marketing only. That's right.
Yeah, I was
Now,
just some
regarding banks, how do they get income?
regarding banks.
Yeah. How? What is the
uh,
source of income for the banks?
Source of income for the banks is the lending is from lending of loans and providing financial services to the customers, sir.
No, actually, we should not tell like this. You should say the main source of income is interest from the loans. Lending is not an income. The interest out of that is the income. Understand? And
Okay, sir.
service charges on the various activities like bank assurance, mutual fund products canvassing, and wealth management services. And apart from that, banks do invest in government securities. They get interest from that. And banks also invest in shares of companies and they get dividends. Understand?
Got your points. So I have to tell like the first one is interest from the loans. Second one
Yeah.
is the interest from the para banking,
No, not interest, commission.
commission from the para banking. That is income from the para banking. Then shares from invested in investment from the shares of other companies and the
Gover-
income from the government bonds,
Government
government
securities.
securities.
Yeah,
Okay, so okay, got it, got it, got it.
very good. Now, what do you understand by financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion, sir. I'm
Have you
not
heard
aware
of
of
this
this.
term? You are not aware of this.
No, sir. No, sir.
Financial inclusion is a term which says that government wants to provide banking and insurance services to the poorest of the poor at cheaper rates.
So, sir, is
Towards
this
the
is the priority lending?
towards this end only, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme was started in 2014 or 15, and according to which no frills account were opened. That is no balance account. People were hesitating to open account because, um, you know, mm, they were not having funds to deposit it to the account. To make them come to bank, government said you can have the account with zero balance. So like
Okay.
that, and this was done mainly to provide direct benefit transfer, such as gas subsidy and other payments being made to people. So this has brought more than 50 crore accounts. 50 crore accounts were opened, and the amount I'm not sure how much has been collected. So this one. Apart from this, government has started schemes like Atal Pension Yojana, then Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, then Senior Citizen Deposit Scheme, then Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme, then Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, LIC scheme, then Suraksha Bima Yojana, another accidental insurance scheme. These schemes are all very cheap. For example, Suraksha Bima Yojana, the premium is only 20 rupees. And Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, premium is only 436 for covering for life coverage of 2 lakhs. So like that. So you must know this. Why have you not prepared for this government schemes and all that? I think you are not studied.
Yes, I was not gone through this, sir. Uh,
This is
I
there
will. I
in
have it.
guidely material. Guidely interview
Yes, I will.
material. Yeah. You
Yes,
have
sir.
to,
I will
yeah,
surely go through this, sir.
yeah, very good. Now, can you please tell me how will you go about canvassing of, say, supposing I tell you, you have to get 100 savings bank accounts within a month. What strategy will you adopt?
Okay, so if I need to get 100 savings bank account, the strategies which I will adopt is the first one is I will try to find the areas where the accounts are very less to the accounts are very less from to the bank. The persons who are not having the accounts in the nearly bank, that in our bank. The first thing I will do is I will try to arrange a campaign in the colleges, which is most of the millennials or teenagers are there who is above 18 years. So they will not have any accounts in the bank, most probably, because I will be able to also open to a large number of students. So it will be helping me to gain a 100 accounts from there, sir.
Hmm. You can also say
And
that I will get in hold of, say, the big factories, big establishment like hospitals, where they have more number of employees, and schools, colleges, and I will also go for door-to-door canvassing. If possible, I will try to use my social media contact also for getting new account holders. Something like that. You can say some more points. Okay.
yes, sir, sure.
Very good. So, what do you understand by KYC norms? How it is fulfilled?
KYC norms is know your customer, sir.
Mm,
So every customer have to be verified and identified as per the banking rules who is holding the account. So the document verification and physical verification of that particular person is required for the authentication of the account, which is
mm.
there in the bank. So that is the
What are the
thing which
documents?
is
What are the documents taken?
the documents taken on PAN card, Aadhaar card.
Correct. Supposing one is not having Aadhaar card, what else can you take?
So the voter's ID can be considered.
Then, what are the other documents?
The voter's ID can be considered. The if a person is non driving license,
I think
it
you
can
are
be
you are,
considered.
you are not studied fully. Driving license, then passport, and Pradhan Mantri, that is a MGNR card, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card. These four, any one of these can be taken. Of course, PAN
Oh,
card is as a must. Yeah. Up to what extent is bank interest exempt? Bank is exempted from deducting TDS in respect of fixed deposits.
sir, I'm not sure about the slab, sir. The
It is
limit.
40,000. 40,000 for below 60 years and above
Okay.
60 years, 50,000 per financial year.
Okay. Okay. Okay,
And
sir.
in the case of savings bank accounts, up to 10,000 rupees per financial year, it is exempted from income tax. You
Sir, it
need
is
not
total deposit or the interest from the deposit?
interest. Talking about interest
Oh,
one. If a person draws more than 40,000 interest from one bank from a bank, then
okay, sir.
in a financial year, then he will be deducted 10%. The 10% of the interest paid will be deducted. And if he
Okay.
wants that bank not to deduct, stating that he is not coming within income tax bracket, then he can do Form 15G. You must have heard about this. This is in respect of people below 60, and Form 15H for people above 60 years that can be given, in which case bank will not deduct TDS. Understand?
Yes, sir. Got it.
I think you have not been watching my videos or you have not read it fully, because I would
Sir,
have asked this question in at least 4 or 5 candidates so far. No, that doesn't
sir,
matter.
whenever I am getting the time, I'm
Yeah, no
giving the
problem.
answer because
Good.
our job is
Now,
not a time
what
job.
are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are playing cricket, playing badminton, and watching movie.
Very good. Which movie did you watch latest?
Latest, the Kannur scored by Mammootty.
What is the movie?
It is a new Malayalam movie which is newly released. The major character of the movie is Mammootty. The name
N
of the movie is Kannur Squad.
Score.
Kannur Squad.
Squad. Acha, acha.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kannanur Squad or Kannur Squad. Very good. Excellent. Who is the Home Minister of our country?
Home Minister of our country. So you are asking about the Prime Minister?
Home Minister.
Home Minister.
Amit Shah.
Son.
You must know the Union Ministers list, State Ministers list, then Governor of South Indian states. And you must also know the names of chief ministers of at least a majority of the states. They will ask you to find out whether you are reading newspapers, whether you have general knowledge.
Okay, so the Home
Okay,
Minister. Okay, sir.
okay. What is happening in Israel?
So actually, the Israel and Gaza is in a conflict. The Palestinians are trying to get the power in Gaza, and Israel is trying to uh, oppose the Palestinians. So there is a war which is going on between Israel and Gaza.
Palestine,
Yeah, Palestine and Gaza. Yes.
Palestine and Israel. Yeah. The war is between Palestine and Israel. Israel is known for what?
Israel is known for the secret agency, sir.
Okay. Apart from that,
And also they are the best manufacturers of weapon.
weapons. Good. Correct. Then, good.
So these are the
Israel is good in research and development. They are good in defense technology. They are good in, say, industrial manufacturing. They are good in biotechnology and natural gas. Israel is famous for diamonds, and these are the things. Same way,
yes, sir.
Palestine is surviving because of foreign aid. There are two major divisions. One is Hamas, and the other is Fatah. then 90% of people depend on agriculture, and also there is no currency in Israel. Sorry, in Palestine. They depend on Israel currency only. So this is some point about this. You can see this in some videos if you go through in Malayalam or in English. Some ideas you must know about this. This is the
Yes,
news.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now you should also go through Federal Bank also. About Federal Bank, you please watch some of. Are you member of our Telegram? Sorry, WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Then if you go through that, they would have posted about us and all that. Whatever recent postings are there, just go through that so that you can
Yes,
update your current.
I have read the materials regarding the federal bank, and I also browsed through the federal
Yeah,
bank website
please,
also to know
please,
about
yeah,
the bank.
yeah, please get to know that, and you must be able to answer them also. Best wishes. You did well, excepting when I came to general knowledge and something related to deeper aspects of banking. You are very good in marketing. For that, you may be selected. I wish you best of luck.
Thank you, sir.